Okay, hey guys, this is Easter night, and today, we're going to be taking a video of an MG. It runs like a charm, because, it has the motor is built in somewhere else. I'm just kidding, but it has no motor. It does not run like a charm. A lot of paint peeling off, but Mom got this car, and it is it's not in the best shape. Because look inside, the seats ain't even in there, it's just tires. The floor pans are rusted out. I don't know, is there a drive shaft in here? I don't even think this opens. Oh, it's just junk in there. Let's go to the front so you can actually, you can't open, I don't think you can even open the hood. There ain't, the thing you pull. Let's see, and yeah, I hope you click and subscribe and comment down below in the video, but it's an MG, you can see, and I don't know, it definitely does not run, because let me get y'all up in there. It doesn't have anything in there. I don't know, did actually, okay, let me get focused. Maybe I can, I don't know what, but you should have just seen it. It has no motor in. I think this was a convertible, because all these little things right here. Oh, they probably shouldn't unscrew that or take it out. We got this maybe a week ago. Probably not even a week ago, but I don't even know how the motor how does the hood open? I mean, yeah, we got this maybe a couple weeks ago, and but just want to show you the new car my mom got. It's old. Look at it's seen some better days. Bye guys, hope you click and subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell button. Bye.